Looking for a natural way to boost collagen and fight aging? You'll love today's recipe. Hi beauties, welcome back to Beauty Steps. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our natural skincare tips. Step 1. Potato and benefits. Let's start with one fresh potato. First, peel it and cut it into small pieces. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C and natural enzymes that help stimulate collagen, reduce dark spots, and give your skin a smooth, even tone. Don't go anywhere, because at the very end of this video, I'll share another innovative recipe that takes your skincare routine to the next level. Trust me, it's something you'll definitely want to try. Step 2. Blending. Now place the potato pieces in a hand blender cup, add just enough water to cover them, and blend until smooth. Another great thing about this recipe is that it not only boosts collagen, but also helps fade dark spots and brighten your skin. Plus, thanks to the antioxidants in flax seeds and the vitamin C in potato, it fights free radicals that cause early aging. Next, strain the mixture to separate the liquid from the pulp. We'll use the pulp for our recipe. Step 3. Flax seeds and benefits. Next, take 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and grind them into a fine powder. Flax seeds are amazing because they're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and natural antioxidants. They help to keep the skin firm, reduce fine lines, and give it that youthful bounce. By the way, I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I always enjoy seeing how far our Beauty Steps family reaches. Step 4. Olive oil or almond oil and benefits. We put a spoon of sugar and now add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Or you can replace it with sweet almond oil if you prefer. Olive oil deeply hydrates the skin and protects it with vitamin E, while almond oil helps to brighten and soften your skin naturally. How to use. Apply the cream evenly on your face and neck. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. After washing, always follow with your favorite moisturizer or natural oil. For best results, use this recipe 2 to 3 times a week. With consistent use, you'll notice brighter, firmer, and more youthful-looking skin. Now I want to hear from you. Would you try this potato collagen cream? Or do you already have a favorite natural skincare recipe? Now let's move on to our second recipe. Step 1. Cornstarch. Our first ingredient is cornstarch. Add 2 tablespoons into a clean bowl. Cornstarch is a natural skin softener. It helps absorb excess oil, tighten pores, and gives your skin a smooth, silky texture. It also calms irritation and leaves your skin looking refreshed. Step 2. Milk. Next, pour in 200 milliliters of milk. Then add it to the cornstarch. Milk has been used for centuries in beauty routines. It's rich in lactic acid, which gently exfoliates, removes dead skin cells, and helps brighten the skin. Step 3. Stirring until thick. Keep stirring continuously until the mixture becomes thicker, like a cream. This process creates a natural base that feels rich and smooth, perfect for skin application. Step 4. Adding potato water. Once thick, pour in 4 tablespoons of the potato water we saved from our first recipe. Keep stirring while we blend them together. To make the texture even smoother, use a hand blender. Potato water is full of vitamin C and natural enzymes. It helps fade dark spots, improve collagen production, and adds a cooling, brightening effect to your skin. Step 5. Vitamin C drops. Now add 5 drops of pure vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the best ingredients for skin. Step 6. Rose essential oil. Next, add just a few drops of rose essential oil. This oil not only smells amazing, but also soothes irritation, reduces redness, and helps maintain the skin's natural balance. Step 7. Stirring again. Keep stirring the mixture until everything blends into a creamy, luxurious texture. This recipe is designed to brighten dull skin, tighten pores, and fight early signs of aging all at once. Step 8. Pouring into jar. Now pour the finished cream into a glass jar for storage. This way, you can keep it fresh and ready to use for your skincare routine. It's natural, chemical-free, and safe to apply whenever you need that extra glow. Step 9. How to use. To use, apply the cream evenly on your face, neck, chest, and even your hands. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. After cleansing, always follow with your favorite moisturizer or natural oil. For best results, apply this recipe 2 to 3 times a week. With regular use, you'll notice brighter, smoother, and younger-looking skin. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and tell us in the comments where you are watching from. Your interaction helps our Beauty Steps family grow.